this is my slope project. And when we read slope, we read it from the left to the right, like reading a book. So when we look at a slope, there's the negative side and then the positive side. This is the x-axis going this way, and the y-axis is going this way. When you read coordinates, it's x, then y inside of parentheses. So when we look at this, is this slope positive or is it negative? And, well, this slope goes down when you read it from the left to right, so it is going to be a negative slope. This slope, however, right here, goes up when you go there. And so this slope would be positive. Right here, we have a slope-intercept graph with slope on it. So what you do right here is you see these points. This is the x, this is the y, and what you do is you go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is how we're going to find our slope. So we go x and y1, x2, y2. So you go 5 minus 2 over negative 2 minus negative 1, which is plus positive 1. And that gives us with 3 over negative 1, which is equivalent to negative 3 as our slope. Our y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So our y-intercept right here would be negative 1. So it would be y equals negative 3x minus 1 for our slope-intercept form. Right here is another method of doing it, which is just counting it. And slope is rise over run. So when you go up 2, that's a rise, which is 2, and then over 1, that is 1. So 2 is equivalent to our slope. So it's y equals 2x, and then our y-intercept in this is 1, which is where the line crosses the y-axis, which is y equals 2x plus 1. Right here, we're going to graph it. So this is an example, and they already give you the slope and the graph. So right here, we've got our slope, which is negative 3, so it goes down 3 over 1. And our y-intercept is negative 1, so it starts right here at negative 1. Right here, we've got a new graph, which is y equals 2/3 x plus 1. So our m equals 2/3, and y-intercept is equivalent to 1. So and m is equivalent to slope. So you start at 1 right here as the y-intercept, and you go up 2 over 3. So we go up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 3. And that is our line.